This study was commissioned by Tata Trust to assess whether multiple initiatives in different domains implemented over a decade had collectively made a lasting impact on quality of life of rural Uttarakhand households.
Rather than using typical dimensions advocated by World Bank or local governments, this research constructs measures of quality of life rooted in the community.
The study used a three-phase design. Phase 1 to generate dimensions by consulting those with exposure to Uttarakhand rural life. Phase 2 to elicit dimensions that matter to Uttarakhand rural households. And Phase 3 to assess delta improvement from households in a beneficiary village versus those in a carefully chosen control village.
Other distinctive aspects of design included A. Recognizing that different life experiences will lead to different prioritization of dimensions and thus dividing the universe in 12 segments. B. A sampling frame sensitive to measure lasting difference in quality of life. C. A binary choice construct which makes minimum demands on evaluative capabilities of the respondent. And D. A discussion by researcher with 10% of respondents after completion of the structured interview for a deeper understanding of responses. Thank you, gentlemen.
Scaling India and job formalization is the main agenda of the Government of India. Evaluating these schemes for the key objectives to ensure effective use of public resources. The work scope was enormous as these three schemes were functional in most states and union territories. It involved feedback from 35 to 40 different kinds of stakeholders, think tanks, sectoral experts, district and block level officers, institutional heads, employers and beneficiaries. 100 FGDs, 610 in-depth interviews and 2,500 plus surveys were conducted. 40 different types of questionnaires were developed. Unprecedented challenges were faced at every step. The team overcame it through resilience, innovative thinking and a problem-solving approach. This included added responsibility of not only evaluation of schemes' effectiveness but also auditing government database. Arrest of field teams due to CAA and NRC protests. It was quickly resolved by on-ground field executives by seeking cooperation of local leaders. And then there was COVID-19, which called for immediate changes to methodology to online and telephonic mode, quick training of teams, reprogramming, database collection, and new quality check methods. And the impact was overwhelming. Study findings were presented to Niti Aayog, NSDC, and all related ministries, which were well appreciated. Recommendations were incorporated in the 15th Finance Commission.